All right, guys, we're out on the West Branch, Conchig today again. Same place as yesterday afternoon, except I didn't have time to hit these couple spots, and I want to hit them again. Or I want to hit them for the first time. Didn't get to do it yesterday. And I'm gonna go down and hit the same spots as yesterday. See what happens. And I don't know if you guys actually realize this, but I got the GoPro Hero 7 Silver. And it doesn't have batteries that you can take out and put a fresh battery in. It has an internal battery that you can't replace. And it only lasts about 2 hours. So every time I go fishing, everything I record is within 2 hours. So that's why a lot of videos are short. And sometimes you just don't catch a lot of fish in 2 hours. But we'll upgrade and get the 10 with different batteries, and then we can go out longer trips. Yeah, well, that's a little bit bigger of a smallmouth. Now, my GoPro overheated and must have changed the settings, so that's why it looks a little different, but the footage is still okay. Yeah, nice little smallie. We'll take him. On the Sukoshi Bug. Oh, damn. Missed him. Oh, yeah. Little smallie. Might be a little largemouth. Yeah, a little largemouth. Probably the same one I caught yesterday. Big ones might be spawning. Yeah, we'll see, little buddy. Oh, what is this? Oh, here we go. Here's a nice smallie. Oh yeah, now we're talking. That's probably my best smallmouth yet. Fat one. Ah, shit. Yeah, that's a decent little smallmouth. Fat. See you, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh, what do we got here? Is this a fall fish? This is another pickerel. Holy crap. 2 pickerel. 2 days, 2 pickerel. Come on, buddy. I'm not letting you fall on the ground this time. Okay, guys. Another little pickerel. He's probably about a foot. I think the one yesterday was about 14. Oh, yeah. Well, apparently pickerel like the Sukoshi Bug too. Little smallmouth. Yep. Ah, he got off. Ah, that's all right. There we go. You serious? Are you serious? I caught a freaking brown trout. No, that's a brook. Is it? Yeah. That's a brook trout. I caught a brook trout on the Sukoshi Bug. You've got to be. Oh, all right. That's okay. You guys saw it. A brook trout on the Sukoshi Bug. Wow, this thing's getting tore up. I didn't bring any more. Wow, brook trout on the Sukoshi Bug. That is crazy. Down there it is. Jeez, that is freaking nuts. Oh, there we go. What's this? Little smallmouth. Or I mean little largemouth. Yep, little largemouth. See you, bud. Oh yeah, caught me a stickfish, guys. Look at this. Come on, come on. All right. Yep, bottom. Crap. Well, thanks for watching the C&B experience again. Much appreciated.